taking a long hiatus. Things got a little busy. Life got busy. But we are ready to and hyped up to get this Packard going for
Season dos.
But most importantly for
Do you have something?
We
got
are
engaged.
We are engaged. And we are ready to drive off into the sunset of our happily ever beginning in our Packard Patrician. So we are
Patty
the Patrician. We decided to name her. We are in crunch time. We have a lot to show you this season. We're going to be doing the interior,
Upholstery.
the exterior, getting it looking pretty, and getting the scripts and the emblems and polishing her up and getting her ready
Tuning
for
her up.
Yeah, definitely. And getting her ready for pictures and to look pretty. So stay tuned. We're looking forward to this one, and we're even more looking forward to the ending when we drive it off.
And more projects to come.
Woo!